York judge giving the green light for some of Jeffrey Epstein's victims to sue the disgraced financier's former attorney and accountant. The judge rejecting claims that the victims' previous settlements kept them from filing class action lawsuits related to the case. There's no word yet on if or when the case will move forward. Alicia Nieves is live for us now. And Alicia, hundreds of millions already being paid out to victims. Where do things go from here?
Well, Anna, so far, the Jeffrey Epstein estate, right, has been sued and settled with more than 100 victims. And then we had two major banks, JP Chase and Deutsche Bank, agree to a $365 million settlement with the victims because of their alleged role in kind of missing some flags that allowed Jeffrey Epstein to thrive in these sex crimes for decades. And now a district court here in New York just ruled that a trusted lawyer of Epstein and his accountant can also be held accountable by these victims and also be sued. Now, we know the lawyer representing these victims accused Epstein's lawyer, Darren Indyke, and his accountant, Richard Kahn, of building this complex financial infrastructure that allowed Epstein to sexually abuse hundreds of women, pay them off, and then even pay some of those victims to recruit other future victims. All without banks or the IRS flagging the vast cash withdrawals and the payments by Epstein and allowing Epstein to traffic young girls and women at his New York City home and other parts of the world, again, for decades. Now, the victims' lawyers allege that Indyke and Kahn were richly compensated, and it's just inconceivable that they were unaware what Epstein was doing behind closed doors. Now, the lawyer for those victims tell NewsNation, quote, "We are pleased and grateful for this decision. The survivors in this litigation will have their day in court to hold Darren Indyke and Richard Kahn accountable for facilitating the devastating abuse they, the victims, suffered." Now, while Indyke and Kahn can be sued by Jeffrey Epstein's victims, the judge specifically noted in this case that there may be some trouble throughout the trial or the end result of this case because contract law and some of the wording that's in the settlement. So it's going to be a little bit tricky, but nonetheless, the judge clearing the way for Epstein's trusted lawyer and his accountant to be sued by his victims. Anna?
Oh, it's just kind of ripping the scab off wounds for a lot of those victims, likely. Alicia Nieves, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.